Please subscribe to Humble One TV and click on the bell.
Whether provisions or cook food or whatever.
So where is your ministry located? Is it Hezekiah Apostolic or what?
I told you, it is not a church.
So where do you meet?
Oh, it's just a prayer.
So where do you meet to pray?
We can meet anywhere.
Like where?
Get a place, rent a place, depending.
So have you registered it?
Have I?
Registered it?
No.
It's not registered?
No, it's not registered.
So you have other associate pastors or what? People you pray with, who help you pray?
Oh yeah, we have.
Yes, I was.
So you are the lead pastor?
That is my vision.
So you say what's that? You're an apostle?
Yeah.
Apostle. All these things. So when you're apostle, so is it the wind that gives you the power to speak or what? So for my interview to tell me so that I'll change my life, then you and I are into buy this smoking weed and stuff, and how can you push me? Or I should do what you say, not what you do. It's rather unfortunate. Rather unfortunate. So yeah, Kwabna Usweji. Where do you come from?
I'm Ashanti.
Ashanti, which part?
Masokore.
Asokore. So you have 56 years.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Are you married?
Not presently.
Or you have kids?
Masokore.
Asokore. So you have 56 years.
Yeah.
Wow, interesting. Are you married?
Not presently.
Or you have kids?
Yeah.
How many kids do you have? 4.
I saw a man.
He's not married, but he has kids. Or you are married?
I said not presently.
So there's no legal thing to show that you're married. You're not married.
No.
We have 4 kids. Wow, interesting. So in Kumasi, where do you live in Kumasi? Stadium. And Accra at Greater Estate.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I was living at Old Amokomi in Kumasi.
Hey! Obi Abachonka.
Bingo.
Congratulations, Apostle. Wait.
Also for our she with there, Masa.
I say, Aba. Soba.
That shall vouch me. We she with Nana. I told her is Amkeka.
Because the way they do that is
Masa, what do you have in here?
Certain bottom. Rob, why do you don't bring a sheet or Rob? Brown envelope need to be good.
Let me tell them something. In June 4, people were crying, let the blood flow. It was only military people whose blood flowed. Correct? Today, as I hear let the blood flow, it is the blood of the Achim mafias that will flow. There are 2 ways that I see. If we allow Akufo-Addo and his stupid G Mensa, that stupid girl, that idiot of a girl. Look, I'm telling G Mensa today, me, my grandmother, she has what every woman has. My mother, she has the same thing. All my sisters have the same thing. And everybody is born of a woman. If G Mensa thinks she was not born of a woman, but came from some other angle, she should go ahead and do the new register. Let me watch her. She will die 12 midday. She will die just like that. Nonsense. Idiot. You are a foolish girl, G Mensa. You are an idiot. I'm telling you today. Try it and you see. What kind of nonsense is that? You think you are better than us Ghanaians? You are better than the Christian Council who have advised you? Better than the House of Chiefs? Nonsense. Stupid Akufo-Addo girl. What about damn papa? She mean a yo. Common sense kwa muni bi. Cause you're for. Finish that Ghana, to mama. Moi. Look, let me tell you something. Odifo Kwabneteria, he said 9 prominent MPP people will die before MPP wins power. Sometimes the prophecy doesn't come from me, but when the prophecy is authentic, God will tell me, monitor that prophecy. So I started monitoring. Now, I remember in 2015, before Parliament broke, the Lord told me, tell MPP to organize prayers at the Western region. I didn't know who to tell because I didn't want to go. Me, I don't like pride. Then the Lord said, well, Kennedy Pond says he's their financier. So, go and tell.
And that is what I am doing. And this is for the end, so I will say it.
All right. But what threatens say Obekum, Electoral Commission chairperson, as Daily Guide has an opinion one more at the front page.
Daily Guide will be an himself, Freddie Blade. Jimmy.
Oh,
Can I order second response from Jimmy? Now, friends, who is CPP now call a friend MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war.
Oh,
I'm a for Brea or party man who is CPP or by I am the chairman because Oyakufu are done for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Miku Jimensa, easy boy. Men can't be what I said is this. Jimensa, a radia being number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open all the Ghana fat quite so. So I quite now take Ghana fason, and the Bassa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm a catcher, say, medium who says, Jato Ghana, Ghana phone, you have a blame who say, what, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in air to for also would dear WH, I can't have for the catcher say, and one out there. And as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
so also for what evidence where we're here, should I say, Jim Mensa, Gabby Associate, and I thought Fado, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So I'm morning up Kushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and I want.
Look, it's not news. Second is the pointing station. So, HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tona power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy and on pen go for church or let time yesterday and then on me Charlotte say for you. And on your darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me, baby, I'm if you buy, if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. What you say? If she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jean Mensa, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let's do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better find to my pay for. What's my did not him?
But
don't you, bro?
She can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say, Electoral Commission no would be any no so be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make her silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No, Until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. If you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata.
This is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana. You take Ghana sick as your friend Furiata.
Analysis ben there's something ben
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, BIA, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, BIA, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co. They are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out. Go and take. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, when I tell Jimensa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I might be on my no can say, too shallow to say, no, me too now. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader. Or this election race area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So what I say, now agenda is now or Babisia, who say Udi and him now did to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what it's going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a ja, and a Baba Ghana. So what you say? You can't allow this. We are a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino. I dream Papa be any Mutin. Debbie I'm sorry, and I can in the pond. Or no, I am more no one, and then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come let me tell you. Maybe see if you are so correct. So what you say? A Jimmy for to say we didn't.
Oh no!
No. I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it. I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament. He is an idiot of a member of parliament.
Japan.
Oh, dear Japan, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asen, Asen Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet my snap net two. Out of that CID boss, out of that IGP. Go and arrest this, go and arrest this, go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Danker's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this show. I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more reading. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. You sure who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan. When Asantefono planning here, so mo Kobi Ejinem Amananato. Now Omakoyo Munyan Komatieno. Now, be who are changing. And not changing the 1 year boy Emma. Oh, this is May. 2015. Yes. And Ocheng Momo Yabua, which is Nana to Mami, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open another simple. But on the Koyeno, the blood line need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa, on no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Chocho, or the grand niece or something like that. Into to pay the Apija people, because like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apija, Ofreta Wuyan no Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so I say, Omo, this year, and Apija for so a bomutia, some Sumunia, either. Until they had to go and pay the Apija people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible until only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape near them, or say Kenya Japan is a sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Say a Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yana Hotel for the police were by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in.
The then CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was his guy.
No, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah.
Okay.
No, Greater Accra something. Yeah, anyway. Now, listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in the pond. JB Dankwa no pana yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanye, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. Or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe Asemesi was said no more Amanye. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampare, I walked out. I had a crime scene, I had a parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net 2, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party say, same way they see. It told him, Kabaye. Hey, Kenya, let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you've picked the wrong address. My name is not Obini, my name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka, me nana sofumame, kino dina, efua jebua, yana daka wo muzama, se si amika se, me kana mena, Kenya Japan. Hey, and now, what you want? What's it? See, before by the midjan here.
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Before we go.
Where did I run away?
Before we go there, sir. Because sir, I can't say see before by one way trying to see.